I'm Chef Dwight.
And I'm Chef Matt, and we're taking Milk Masters on the move to show you just how tasty and easy it is to cook with dairy anywhere. In our case, outdoors at the cottage.
Let's do it.
For dinner, we're cooking a creamy, lemony pasta with buttery steak, all cooked over fire. The only thing is, we got 30 minutes before sun goes down. No one likes cooking in the dark, so we need to start cooking.
Let's go. All right, Chef, so are you good with the steak?
I will take the steak, I will take the rapini.
I'll do the pasta. I got those charred tomatoes.
I love it. We got 30 minutes though, don't forget.
Let's go.
Cheers.
I'm gonna get some shallots, some garlic for that beautiful base that I'm gonna cook down in butter.
We've got some flank steak here. You know, it's a grilling steak. It's great because it absorbs a lot of great flavor. So we're gonna baste it with some fresh rosemary and some awesome creamy butter. Oil. I'm gonna throw the rapini in there. It takes very little time to cook.
This is a one-pot dish, right?
Yeah.
So sauce gets built, raw pasta goes directly in there, cooks, simmers.
So you're basically braising the pasta in the milk.
Exactly.
Okay, very cool.
Let's get some fresh milk in
Yeah,
there.
I
Let's
love
go. Yeah, that's about right. And a little bit of this really nice heavy cream, this Ontario heavy cream that we have. And then we got our pasta here, Chef.
Nice.
So, I mean, it's really simple. When you've got the sauce right.
I thought you were gonna break it in half. I was like, oh my goodness, don't do it.
You can do this dish anywhere. Whether you're at home, if you're at home, you throw it on your cast iron pan in your kitchen.
Yeah.
Get a little bit of a char. You can do the same thing with the steaks. If you have a grill in your backyard, like this dish is so easy.
It's true.
Let's go with that fresh butter right in there. Let's give it a low melt. Gonna let that get nice and hot. And then I'm gonna throw these beautiful little grape/cherry tomatoes.
Beautiful.
Like these are awesome.
Love that. Okay, I'm gonna actually get my garlic and some of that rosemary melting with that butter right here.
I got another little piece right there for you.
What is this? This dish, one of its like benefits is that you cannot make it without that fresh local dairy.
You can't.
Right?
It's not
Especially
possible.
the pasta dish. That is the whole point.
Let's just check on this pasta real quick, Chef.
Yep. Nice.
Oh, see, it's already like 3/4 cooked.
Because it's braising in there, it's just absorbing all of that rich, creamy flavor.
Exactly. We got this beautiful cheese that I'm gonna hit this in here now. And then we got that awesome lemon zest that I just made. Of these fresh herbs that we have.
Oh, beautiful. I think lemon and the dairy together, people don't realize just how perfect they are, right? Because you have that sharp citrus, the creamy texture, they just work great.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
That's the move.
This is ready. Let's get it off the heat.
Get off the heat, and then I'm gonna go right on the direct flame now with the steak. We got that crushed garlic you gave me. I got the beautiful melted butter, a little bit of fresh rosemary. Okay, these are ready to rest. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more salt while it's resting.
Here, I got you.
Thank you, sir. And let those sit for about 5-10 minutes before we slice into it. Looks like mission accomplished. We're gonna beat the sunset.
We're gonna beat the sunset, and I'm starting to plate right now.
I love it, man. Oh, it smells so good.
Okay.
No, you know my love language. I am just so impressed how well that pasta absorbed all that milk and dairy and butter and all the great things.
Yeah, one-pot pasta. It really does work.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing. Love
We'll
that.
put a little bit of rapini, some tomatoes on the side.
Love that.
And I'll finish it with more Parmesan. The only thing that's left is a little bit of steak.
It's so fragrant from that butter, the rosemary, the garlic.
Just comes together, eh?
Yeah, man, it's perfect.
Cooked entirely outside on an open fire using the best, freshest local dairy. Let's go eat.
And the sun is still kind of up. Look at
And we
this.
won. So we got this, we got yours.
Oh, I'm starving. Oh, what a beauty day.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that is so creamy in like the best way possible.
Try the steak.
The butter based is what I think really brings out that beefy flavor.
Once you infuse the butter with those herbs, it's next level.
That's fantastic, man.
This is good stuff,
The
Chef.
one pot thing is just mind-boggling.
That's so comforting. Thank you for watching this season of Milk Masters on the Move. For this recipe and everything else we did today, grab it on milk.org. Cheers.
Cheers.